Moving forward, talking about preparations, a popular place tonight, the grocery store, the gas station, people making sure that they are prepared for the storm, the power company doing the same. 22 News reporter Melissa Torres is live for us in Springfield. And Melissa, busy night tonight.
Don, this is New England, as you can see by the special appearance of these snowflakes. So we're used to this weather, so we know how to take care of it.
A little bit of food, a little bit of alcohol. We put gas in the tank this morning. It's been a long time since we had a nice big snowstorm.
People all over western Massachusetts spending the final hours before the storm, stocking up at area supermarkets, liquor stores, and filling up at gas stations.
I'm going to make sure we've got wood for the fire. We've got food in the refrigerator. If we lose power, we've got batteries, we've got flashlights. So I think we're set to go.
We're not only getting snow, but wind as well. So there could be power outages. Experts say you should have already stocked up on the essentials like bottled water, canned goods, and dry snacks like cereal or nuts. And even extra paper products like a familiar pandemic life staple, toilet paper.
But just a few basics. I think I need a little more milk, a little bit of fruit and veg for tonight, and I'm just praying the power doesn't go out.
The utility companies like Eversource are also gearing up for the possibility of outages.
So we have been bringing in hundreds of contractors. We bring in tree crews. We bring in line crews. We are ready to go wherever we're needed. We will get to as quickly and as safely as possible.
Eversource also says that if you see any lines down, call 911 because any exposed wires are unsafe. And if you lose power, give them a call right away. So we'll be sure to put that information for the Eversource number on our website at wwlp.com. But first, we're here next to the corporate Eversource offices. Here you can see the trucks and everything ready to go for this weekend. All hands are on deck. But again, it's also a good idea to make sure to charge your electronic devices like this, your tablet, have everything ready just in case the power goes out. Working for you live in Springfield, Melissa Torres, 22 News.